reconditioning is commonly performed on hoods, fenders, bumpers, the backs of mirrors, things that are all facing forward on the vehicle. You have two applicator tools for paint reconditioning. The sponge applicator pad is used for packing in the smaller cracks and chips. This is your squeegee application tool. This is your primary tool used for paint reconditioning. It is clear coat safe and can be reused with proper care. The next step is removing excess material from the surface. The paint dries incredibly fast. If your glove pulls off any additional paint, wait a little longer. Begin by outlining the repaired area and applying a coat of Level Up. Wipe down the repaired section evenly using the buffing cloth. Then flip the towel to a clean, dry side and continue polishing until the surface is completely streak-free. Now, when you're ready to take this process to the next level, go on to the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing and good luck.